In this video, I'll show you how to connect a custom domain in BASE44. First, open your web browser and go to the BASE44 website. Sign into your account and open the app you want to connect to your custom domain. Next, open your app settings and look for the Domains or Custom Domain section. This is where you can connect a domain that you already own. Now, click Add Custom Domain and enter the domain name you want to use. After you save it, BASE44 will display the DNS records that need to be added to your domain provider. After that, log into your domain registrar and open the DNS management page. Add the required DNS records exactly as provided by BASE44, then save your changes. Next, return to BASE44 and wait for the domain verification to complete. DNS updates may take a little time to propagate, so the connection may not be immediate. Finally, once your domain has been verified, open your custom domain in a web browser to confirm that your app is live and working correctly. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to connect a custom domain in BASE44. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn ModeLab for more tutorials.